rushing me. You're rushing me so much. I want to be your dog. Please stop. Oh my God. Hey, go on, baby. You don't want to go inside? Let's go inside now. Baby, I missed you. Baby, what is it?
Leave me alone now.
I don't understand.
I'm not in the mood for this, please.
You are not in the mood for what?
Please.
Just now that you told me that you have missed me a lot. Let's come and give it to me now.
Please.
I want to be a dog today. Baby, what is it? Okay, you are not in the mood. I am in the mood. Okay, come. Let us go and poo. Okay? Stand up.
I don't want to do. Hey. Let me be on my way now. If you step an inch, I will put a bullet in your head. Hey.
Baby, you are welcome.
Come over here. Make your choice. Pick one. Pick one. Hey. Oh God, please, I beg you. Please forgive me. None of them are good for me, please. None of them are good for my body.
Baby, please.
Hey. Oh God, please.
Hey!
Please, oh.
Baby.
Please.
What are you using me? Get out.
How is your husband?
Stop. Can you stop?
Please, just let me go. I promise you will never see my face in your house again.
Can you just stop this rubbish?
Stay here. Do you know you're shameless?
I know.
Do you know you're the most shameless human being
Yes.
I've ever met in this life?
That is true.
I give you everything. I even got you a gift. You totally forgot that today is supposed to be your birthday. Stay here, don't go anywhere.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
I decided to check the CCTV camera. You didn't know that I mounted the camera over there.
Hi.
I realized that this man has been coming into my house frequently. I don't really have much things to tell you. Where do you want me to put the bullet?
Hey. Okay, please.
On your head?
Please, I have a mother. She's waiting for me at
Your
home.
legs?
Hey, please. Please.
Your skull?
Please. Please, just forgive me. Forgive me, sir. Please. I promise you, if you let me go, I will never ever come back to your house.
Shut up! I don't want to have your blood on my hands. Get out.
Get out! Get out!
Go into the guest room. You're going to stay there for 3 good days. No food, no water. After then, I'll know what to do with you. Move. Don't let me touch you. Move!
Okay.
Move it!